y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, it's a little bit different, but I am so excited for this. I've been waiting for this for a long periodically time.
And I'm so glad you're mine, princess, my angel, my queen, baby, you're my friend.
But first things first, if you are new here,
first off, welcome.
Rain Gang, welcome back for another video. So you guys, I am getting aligners and I am so excited, and I am going with Byte. I did tons of research on this. Byte just worked for me. A little backstory really quickly. Just a backstory. So I had really jacked up teeth like my entire life. Although it may not look like it, I have a small mouth according to my dentist and orthodontist back in the day. So I had to get 8 teeth pulled. I had 4 teeth and I had my 4 wisdom teeth, not all in the same setting. Praise the Lord. I had to get my teeth extracted so that I can get braces. I was in high school when I had braces. Got my braces off. I was so excited, but I did not stick with wearing my retainer. Oh my God. My teeth shifted back, and I've been very self-conscious of it, but because this is my job, I just push through. But I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna be honest and transparent, okay? When I'm editing my stuff, I'm looking at my mouth like,
you could use a bleach.
I really want to get my teeth back to how they were. I want to feel confident with my teeth, especially because this is what I do. I talk to the camera, talk to people, I'm in pictures and stuff. So I just feel like this is the season, of investing in yourself. Like this right here bothers my soul, and then like this one is scared me, and like I don't mind, like, you know, a gap right here, but I don't want them everywhere else. I want them all closed. I want them to I want them to look like they did when I first got my braces off. I did a ton of research. I wanted aligners. I did not want braces again because I did get 8 teeth pulled because of my small mouth, even though I talk a lot, but whatever. Because I did not wear my retainer, I have teeth that shifted because they had more space. So then it left me with gaps here and there that I just don't like. So one thing I like about Byte is the fact that they have plans. So they have a night plan and a day plan, and they're only company that has that option. So you can choose to just wear your aligners at night, which would kind of prolong your treatment plan, or you can wear day aligners. So that works. So they actually take all insurances, so it's not just specific ones. Byte just gives you a lot of options to make your smile work for you so that you can just live a confident life, because let's face it, this is what people see.
Remember, I knew you when you had the rotten teeth, and you are jealous about it.
I got my impressions box pretty quickly. It says, show us what you got. It says you look good, but you're about to look better. I know that's right. You're gonna get all the things that you need to make your own impressions. I watched like 3 or 4 videos because I did not want to mess up on this. There's a specific way that you have to do it. So I'm gonna try my hardest to do this on camera and show you guys best as I can. They also send you, you're gonna mail back your impressions. Get your impression trays, your gloves, and your smile stretcher, and then you get your putty. I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking so that I can do what I need to do and be mindful of the time, and I'll probably voice over the next areas.
All right, you guys, so you have your impression trays, your gloves, and your smile stretcher that's going to come in your box. And then there's going to be a top portion. You do not want to toss this out. Everything is pretty easy and self-explanatory, but I'm just going through just in case this may be helpful. You get your impression putty, you get light and dark, so you get 2 of each, and you're going to mix them together. Now, this putty dries very fast, and so you want to go ahead and get everything together before opening it. So I'm just testing the trays to make sure that it's a comfortable fit, that it's on the right top and bottom row. I'm gonna go ahead and put my gloves on because we're getting ready to mix it all together and get one step closer to getting these straight teeth. Again, the directions are very easy to follow. It is very simple. Just read what they tell you to do and you will be just fine. You do have to work fast again with this putty to make it into one color because it does dry pretty quickly. It is meant to mold or make a mold of your teeth. So I'm just working really fast because it was my very first time and I'm on camera. So I'm like, okay, I got to make sure I'm doing this correctly and trying to show you guys at the same time. So bear with me if it's not super clear, but it is very, again, self-explanatory. So you're going to put it in the trays and place it on your teeth and push down. And then you are encouraged to keep them there for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. So as soon as I did that, I used my phone as my timer so that I am right on key, and I just waited and I held it there so that it could really mold and dry on my teeth and get the correct molding. And then of course, you guys, when you take it out, you will have some saliva, so have a paper towel ready or something like that to catch that. And then the molds are there. You do not want to touch your molds at all. You want to go ahead and place it into the tray. You don't want to mess anything up. So then I'm doing my bottom teeth, I believe, and you're gonna do this twice. So you're gonna do one more time with your full mouth, and that's that. So it was pretty easy, you know, slightly uncomfortable, but nothing drastic.
All right, that is not too bad. It doesn't taste like anything. I'm just worried that I did get the right, or you know, the impressions to look how they're supposed to look. I showed you guys how it looked in the previous clip. You're gonna put them all in the box. I'm just kind of waiting till they kind of set more because I don't want to mess anything up. A little bit, you know, a little bit of drool on there. I don't know how disgusted people are. Yeah, so you're gonna put them back in the box that I showed you guys. They tell you not to toss this top portion because you are going to put it on top of your aligners like so. But these are my aligners. I know this is not really a good angle, but I don't want them to fall over. And then you're gonna go ahead and place this, put this on top of that. And then you're gonna go ahead and seal it back up and send it on out with prayer. That wasn't too bad. I was really nervous about that for some reason because I just, you know, I didn't do my putties or anything when I have my braces. They do it all for you. So you just want to make sure that you're doing the best that you can, because I've seen stories where people have to do it over. So it's all in here, all ready to be shipped out. They give you a smile stretcher where you can take a selfie. Alright, so I got my pictures. A lot of people, from my research, have had issues with other companies and their bite being off. Like their teeth got straight, but their bite was off. Byte has a technology that will prevent that. It's just so many reasons why I decided to go with Byte. I'm just trying to make sure I covered everything. But yeah, so I am a very, like, people that know me know how much this means to me. So I'm gonna try and drop this stuff off today. I will keep you guys updated on the process. If you want, you know, more in-depth, you know, videos, I'm definitely gonna do a series just so you guys can, you know, refer back to it. And also I'll be updating you guys via stories on my Instagram, so make sure you follow that as well. So yeah, I'm excited to get started. Be sure to check the description box below. Hit me up with any questions. Leave a comment if you have questions or whatever, but I'll try to leave everything that I can in the description box, and then I will update as the treatment goes on. Y'all keep me lifted, you know, this is gonna be a journey. My liners are here. I didn't want to make two different videos. I wanted to put it all in one, just because that's what I prefer to see. So I'm assuming that's what you guys perhaps would prefer to see. It's just, okay, I showed you how to, you know, get your aligners situated, and now we got them, so we're gonna try them on together. So I got my box today, and again, I'll put like the time frame and all that stuff. So it's better and better with every bite. Get it? Okay. You get this little booklet that explains everything to a T, you know, answering your frequently asked questions. Good thing about Byte is you do get your whole treatment plan in one bite. That was a mistake. I think my treatment plan is 17 weeks. So everything is packaged. This will be the first one. Step 1, step 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You change them out every week. So today is Monday, and it's suggested to go ahead and start at night. The wait is over. It's time to bite. Oh, and then you get another box, and this says, let's accessorize. And so you will open it like so. So I've already put my first aligners in here, and don't mind my nails. I just dyed my hair black you know, them grays was popping. Hello, those grays were popping through and I didn't appreciate that. So I rinsed them out and here are my aligners. So I'm gonna try them on for you guys. It has a cute little, you know, mirror and stuff. So, you know, if you're out and about. Then you also have the Byte. Now this Byte you want to use 5 minutes every day. And this is going to help your teeth move and shift a little bit quickly or make it easier, shift your teeth. And so you would want to charge this. They give you a charging cable. And again, 5 minutes a day. I've seen that other people have used it more than that, but I'm just going to use advice as to what Byte gave me. And I, you know, suggest and recommend that you do the same. And then everything in here will give you the directions on what to do, why to do it, how to do it, and so forth and so on. And then also they have a little file included. And I don't know if I'm gonna have to use that yet. We'll see. Last but not least, you have your Byte on the go cleaning, freshening, whitening foam, whitens teeth and aligners. All right, so what y'all all been waiting for, and me too. I've read on how to put them on. I have my mirror right in front of me. Ooh. Ah. It's nice and snug. I'm gonna have to get used to talking with a list, but it is nice and snug. But you can't really see them. They are a little snug because, you know, they move in my teeth a little bit. It doesn't hurt. Hopefully my list will go away. We're gonna make this work. Hello, we're gonna make this work. This is gonna take some, this is gonna take some getting used to. Okay, so I took them out so I can talk. When you swap out your aligners, you want to make sure that you swap them out every week. So today is Monday, so I'll switch mine next Monday, and you have to do it at night. And to make sure that you're using your Byte daily. And so you don't want to throw away your pack. So once you've used, so my pack 1, I'm going to keep that because you can always use those if they, you know, get damaged or you lose them. You can use what you did until you're able to replace them. So you never want to throw out your aligners, okay? Wear them day and night, so 24/7, unless you are drinking and or eating, so you should have them off maybe a couple hours in a day. So I will not start my treatment until I go to sleep because I want to floss and brush and all that good stuff. So that is pretty much it. I will leave a code for you guys in the description box if you want some money off. Come along for the journey. Also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, go ahead because I will be saying some things over on my story. Probably just giving y'all little short, you know, updates here and there. So if you don't want to wait for another video to happen, because I'm not gonna make a video every week. I mean, I do have to swap out my aligners weekly, but I don't think I'm gonna make a video weekly. It may be like bi-monthly, we'll see. So that's what I'm saying. If you want more of a quick update, want to ask me questions, definitely follow me over on Instagram, and then we can discuss via DM and all that good stuff. So I hope this video was helpful. I'm excited to get started. I am super excited to get started. Thank y'all for watching. I hope this was helpful. I hope you learned something. I hope you were entertained. I will see you guys in the next one. Love you guys so much.